Hello, guys. Welcome to Football Lovers Group. I'm Rishabh, your host, and that was an entertaining first half. I don't think we could have asked for a better first half than that. One goal each, and Arsenal are one, Chelsea are one, and the FA Cup final is on. The game is on, and it will be interesting to see which team comes in a better way in the second half. Chelsea started brilliantly. They started great, like within 5 minutes, they scored a goal. Brilliant from Christian Pulisic. Arsenal couldn't have done a lot in those circumstances because the passes, like all the passes, reached the player. First, Christian Pulisic passed to Mason Mount, then Mason Mount passed it to Giroud, Giroud backheeled it to Christian Pulisic again, and a brilliant finish from Christian Pulisic. What a finish! This guy is something special, and I'm loving it because if you see in the starting 25 minutes, Arsenal had no answer to this guy. Christian Pulisic was amazing. Arsenal couldn't stop him, couldn't cover him, and he was just running his own show in the starting 25 minutes. Arsenal, I would say, they after the drinks they were really brilliant, and till the end of the first half, it was Arsenal from the drinks break, and Arsenal are quite good. They kept trying same strategy of passing it to Aubameyang, long pass to Aubameyang, and they actually succeeded in that. Especuleta fouled Aubameyang inside the box, and referee called it penalty, and Aubameyang scored it. And score is 1-1 now. What is your feeling? Like, what do you think the changes should be made from Arsenal or Chelsea? What is your opinion about the first half? Share in the comments whatever your opinion is about this game. Whatever views or any question you have, please share in the comment. I will be taking all the questions and discussing it. So coming to the match, Chelsea were really good in the first 25 minutes, and they were just running their own show with Christian Pulisic, Mason Mount, and Oliver Giroud. Their passing was also going great, but suddenly, after drinks, Chelsea went down. Uh, that goal happened. Cesar Azpilicueta fouled Aubameyang, and after conceding that goal, Azpilicueta got injured. He pulled his muscle, and he has been changed with Christensen. Uh, that's a huge issue for Chelsea now because Christensen in the defensive line with Zoma playing on the right, Christensen is in middle, and Rudiger is on left. So Cesar Azpilicueta injury is a big setback for uh, Chelsea, and it is going to be tough for Chelsea to stop the attacking lineup of Arsenal. They have lethal attacking lineup: Aubameyang, Lacazette, Pep, all of them firing from all the directions, and Tierney also passed really well. The pass to Aubameyang, he did same thing against Manchester City as well in the semi-final of FA Cup. Tierney passed to Aubameyang, and he gave same kind of pass in this game as well. And Especuleta couldn't stop Aubameyang, and I think that was clear penalty. There was no doubt that that wasn't a penalty. That was clear penalty, and Arsenal got back in the game, and now they are looking like a better team in comparison to Chelsea, and the chances of Arsenal winning this game are more because they are. Which team were you supporting? I was supporting Arsenal because the way they performed against Manchester City in the semi-final, it was quite entertaining, and I love how Michael Arteta is managing this team, and he's going in the right direction, and the way he is strategically like finding small issues in the other teams and using them for his advantage. Like Chelsea, you can't uh, against Liverpool, if you have seen, Chelsea were quite down. They were exposed brilliantly in that game by the pace of Liverpool, and same thing is happening today. The Pep is quite fast, Aubameyang is fast, Lacazette is fast, and Chelsea are not able to control these players, and they are nowhere currently in the game after the drinks. Before the drinks, Arsenal were quite poor. They were not performing well, and Chelsea were brilliant in the starting 25 minutes. Their passes were amazing. They were creating game, and suddenly after the drinks, everything changed completely. And I think now that Arsenal is in better position to win this game than Chelsea, because Arsenal are playing in a better way, and now the defensive line of Chelsea is also weak with Cesar Espiguleta leaving the field due to injury. It's I hope it's not a serious injury, but still, like, it's a huge setback for them because Espiguleta is basically the leader of Chelsea defensive line. So that's a big setback. But keeping what changes Chelsea can make, I think they should just go back to how they were playing when the game started. Like, they scored within 5 minutes of this game, and they were playing brilliantly. And they should go back to playing in the same manner. Because do you play football, Bhaskar Das? Yes, I play football. I used to play for state, and then I got injured. Currently, I'm suffering from an injury. So yes, that's the answer for your question, Bhaskar Das. Coming back to the match, I feel that Chelsea just needs to get themselves little motivated and get themselves the same confidence with which they started this game. They can actually pull back and they can score more goals. They have the quality, they have the pace, and they are finding those little pockets in the defensive line of Arsenal from where they can score a goal and create chances for few further more goals. So I think Chelsea can bounce back in this match, but looking at the current situation and how the first half went, I feel that Arsenal are in advantage and they will win this game, I hope, because the way they are playing, the way they are passing the ball, long passes are there. They are playing now small one touch passes game as well. So Arsenal are looking quite uh, good currently. So I used to play as a right back, sir. Yeah, for I was in the defensive line, so that's how I got injured. I had a knee injury. Now it's getting better, but it will take few months. Coming back to the match, Arsenal, I hope they will win now. Like, according to me, the scoreline will be either 2-1 in Arsenal favor or 3-2 in Arsenal favor, because they are looking more lethal and they are looking more like better in terms of the gameplay, in terms of passing, in terms of creating chances, in comparison to Chelsea. Chelsea, suddenly everything went down. They are nowhere. Chelsea are nowhere currently, and they like, their defense was quite open. Now they don't have anybody in the defense who can lead the defense. Zoma is finding it hard to control Aubameyang, and Christensen, we all know how he make mistakes. So I hope Chelsea tries to fight, at least like keep this game interesting how it was. Like, the first half, it was quite interesting, it was quite entertaining. I loved how both the teams didn't stop and kept firing shots towards each other's goal and kept creating chances. So this is my analysis of the first half of FA Cup final between Arsenal and Chelsea. If you have any question, you can shoot and I will answer it. Bhaskar Das, if you have any more questions, you can ask me. Well, I don't see any more questions, so we are going to end this live here, and I hope you enjoyed my analysis. I'll be back soon with next game, where most probably it will be UEFA Champions League. So till then, keep watching Football Lovers Live and I will be uploading this video. Also, my personal page link is in description, so you can go there and like and share my page. I will be uploading daily updates videos on my pages. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this live. I'll be back soon. Thank you.